Heatbit is the first space heater that mines Bitcoin. Founder says the newfangled device looks like a high-end space heater but uses integrated circuitry to process Bitcoin transactions. Join the most important conversation in crypto and Web3 taking place in Austin, Texas, April the 26th to the 28th. Secure your seat. Join the most important conversation in crypto and Web3 taking place in Austin, Texas, April the 26th to the 28th. Secure your seat. 'Tis the season to be freezing, but in the cold, dark winter, Heatbit says its innovative space heaters can warm a room the size of a small studio apartment while mining enough Bitcoin to offset at least a portion of a homeowner's monthly electric bill. The 2-year-old startup introduced its sleek, multicolored heaters, about the size of an extra-large PC computer tower, earlier this year. So far, it has sold nearly 1,000 units globally, but it has been encouraged enough to begin planning a wider rollout. Is it a gold mine? Does it make a lot of money quickly? No, definitely not, said Alex Bazaroff, co-founder of Heatbit, during a CoinDesk interview. Is it something that's going to be quietly mining some satoshis for you? Well, yeah, at some point it's gonna pay off. Heatbit looks like other high-end heaters, but integrated circuits inside the device quietly process Bitcoin transactions and perform trillions of calculations per second. That activity not only generates Bitcoin rewards, courtesy of Bitcoin mining pool, NiceHash, but also heat. That heat, according to the official Heatbit site, is enough to warm 500 square feet of space. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.